Rich people study. Rich people don't use their time aimlessly. They want to start a business, they are studying, they are researching. How will I do it? Same across to you, bro. You can start studying, reading books, try to get some knowledge. If you see that it's very difficult for you to study, you don't enjoy studying, you don't get what you are reading if you're studying, you can go on YouTube. There's a lot of podcasts. A lot of people have done a lot of programs. They teach. You want to start this business? You want to start content creation? Go on YouTube, search how I start this. There's a lot of people who are teaching. You can go and search Andrew Tate, you can go and search Roma and these other people. They are teaching people. I'm not saying if you start watching them, you are trying to be like them or try to think like them. No, brother. You're just trying to get knowledge in them and use it toward your business. Seneca famously said, while we wait for life, life passes. What Seneca was trying to convey is, if you understand that you don't have time, you start to work with urgency toward your goals. You start to work because you know you don't have time. And time is the important thing we all have. Rich people, poor people, billionaires, millionaires. So if you want to become successful, you have to work. You don't have to spend your time. Thank you very much. These are the 4 secrets I wanted to share with you. If you use them correctly, then you become successful.